Now y'all, welcome back to the all revved up garage. In doing my welding projects, I've found the need to basically grow a third arm or something, or a third hand. Sit there and hold the piece of metal that I'm working with or something, just to need that extra little bit, just to support it or something while I tack it. Well, since we don't have three hands, decided to build one. What we're gonna do is we take some 1 3/8" round stock. I've already got 2 holes drilled on this side on it and 1 on this side. Then I took some 1/4 inch round stock, about 10 inches long, measured out about 4 inches, and I've just made a 90-degree bend in them. So the basic idea is, it fits in the hole like that, and then you can kind of rest it there, and you can it'll just sit there and hold your piece while you're tacking it on. So it's a super handy little tool, and it's something you can make at the house. There's no right or wrong way to do it, just as long as it works for you. This is the design that I came up with and I'm going to use. So let's get to tacking this up and get it going. Alright, this is the basic layout of how I want it. I think the angle's pretty close to how I like it. We're going to be welding this up today with the Snap-on MIG 160i. Super handy little welder. So let's get this welded up. Just lay down some tack welds. Alright, well, that's not going nowhere. Let's take it out and get it where we can weld it. It's the prettiest weld, but it ain't a hold and it ain't going nowhere. We've got the legs welded on now, so let's actually do the finger part, I guess you could call it. Let's go ahead and get it tacked up. Just got to make sure I get my angle going down to where it's level and square with the back. See if I can weld it and roll it at the same time. That'll work. There you go. A third hand. Well, so I know some of y'all are probably asking yourselves also, what uses would you need the third hand for? Well, just a few. Say you want to do just a standard T-joint. Just got a little piece of flat bar here. That's all it is. It's just to sit there and hold it, tack it, and then you pull it off. It ain't a magnet or nothing to hold it permanently. It's just a temporary hold so you can get it tacked. Like say you needed a bolt or something. Just something to sit there and hold it. This is pretty heavy, so it adds a good pressure on it. You know, what the purpose you would need it for, I don't know. But you could even get it set up right. But it will even do a washer. Takes a little finesse because you don't have a whole lot. The other thing is I did not ground this down to a fine point. I narrowed it down to a semi-point, but I left a flat edge on it just for things like this right here. But it works good. I mean, that's the main purpose right there. Is doing the flat stock right there, doing T-joints, stuff like that. Especially, you know, if you're going to be TIG welding, it's hard to tack it and use your filler rod and everything at the same time. So there you go. There's 1/3 hand. Now I'm going to probably go ahead. I'm going to get this sanded down, cleaned up. I'm going to put a little bit of paint on just the round stock right here, and I'll just clear coat the legs, and I'll show you a picture of that here in a minute. And if you like seeing little projects like this, and you want to see more, remember to hit the like button and subscribe. All right, thank you.